of God because Sebi Yenina we in the Swadihu, Yenina Pesi Dini, but Ebimu because they put in more effort, and the effort is the grace of God. Ebimu to me bon pie and then things happen to them naturally. Or more pray.
They don't struggle for it.
And Ebimu also maybe or more na council be a bon pie more, you know. So most often no, and you say you need brio be number one. The audience who need to know. Bibia obe more than say obe ya ebe dead in there. So remember when you brio be men tie obi nyakuma pam obi ya so obi de be ne any dia or china de bit me aba.
Sure.
Nti say was argue on time obi on for be show more. I won't say the law of nature naturally be kwama. Sometimes when you pa boni too much say wa kuma mu no fita nti bibia don't say we ke be.
Nice one. We actually so you so they will preach you. All right, so and now somewhere you to your home for no and our Prince David Osei dey am pacho main tie ne keke said dey be amekano. Make sure so the be adwuma na be boa yen fast da ma omo sponsor ma etimi de brel and MTN and they MTN content manager no and you go so aye bon de ro e de show say we mu a service bi beba you might be interested now what subscribe it we mu another one akwa and before you know it you've lost track of all your subscriptions na ina koba sana na ye din e de amount MTN mount e ya kwenya so betimi a control mobile experience no what I say na no answer be *175 hash na no betimi aboa you can view add or cancel subscriptions are anymore all in one place ewa bra on stress so you know searching for the short codes I'll be here and sana wait me stop it subscriptions no in so that's it one short code to do it all tibomodiana a dialysis here *175 hash now wa access MTN content manager na bibian so me akoye e the amount we are good together and we there for you everywhere you go afi aside di on yen fama KFC me pacho KFC streetwise bucket for one also no medika di one dance actually say emuye pa na me chicken na me Philippa omo aye ho adwuma yi ama na e kama wunya na we enjoy say atimi say ekoyi pa tibomodin a KFC branch be ben bia no no abowura na wa ma won so won sa aka wo de na won so wa join thousands of people after enjoying KFC no omunna ka say KFC it's finger licking good. Finally I'm fast day on my in boost about mixture aka police in edru no we and na unya bi na no mo a ebo amount me build a strong immune system enipa bebre nam ya rehwehwe mo but they don't know ti dakro pebi no bo say oh na me hand me ye wo koya na wa mabiem enu si na wo behia so benum in boost about mixture eno no eye adwuma ni na be de 2x ni na nti wa akra wonim say yare we wo na ono ahwe na wakwa akokla ni na afio e de ama na oho ato na assign my immune system so wan ye den say de be a ebetimi a fight against every disease bi our bra on choir sabia na on kono aduru bia we no se wo yare on yare otimi no bi wo yare kra na no mo a eboama oho eto entempa available our King's Walk Herbal afi so Ekus Pharmacy with Dema Pharmacy Sanso and a Tribe of Judah Pharmacy afi Health Alert Shop what St. John's and alternated and dependable herbal shops across the country and yes our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496 na do be on here biano ye the best one ye don't want to say omoma yetimi eti asemo e de etuyon afi de officially ye ma Prince David Osei akwaba na ye no eni komo Prince akwaba
ye dia
na bibia boko de
na Adom boko
nice one to start no we onipa ko we kra de question na ode buy no bi kra ono last Wednesday na na senke hia and na bibi be see oh yeah ye dika apa tiefo a chew on your behalf no ye na behalf that the tiefo a dia to say bibia you cool na no on o say spider D
sniper
D o pese o te ase pass e no e ba ne sen na sniper D no e be pie mu
sniper D ni my way of life who say ohumi a ankofo bibro muhumi omuhumi more perception baby
like a sniper bi no
but the real personality na this what ben me pa ohun said your kind so be on called me sure so on dwe ho da meet me be manual bompire na meet me e declare fast na mommy am ho no fi say me a bad boy me a man So yes, I am there because a show business. Omuhu say media me akola bonding myself media yeah. That's their perception. It is a bit more by me and I Gary they're doing what we now. But more if you say a show business. So the show must go on, the business of show business must go on. And no na aya my leverage and I mean no me unassuming. Unpredictable film collaborate because me kai say me yini area as a kokomemle side school. Enti time I you see a doors on area me catch me so me star. I'm so fear now.
Really? So you told your parents say
yes, from 7 years now me can't.
Wow.
Fiona now the journey room. And judging from the background, like so many papa, yeah, humble background, monsieur. It is people underestimate me and I shock them. People always underestimate me, not my surprise you.
Wow.
It's Sana Snapedini because you only go and say who's a mission.
Yeah.
David. Me family book and I'm a cover out. I'm a check on the mission. I'm bad them man. I mean, with the gross. I
had friends like that. Charlie, who said they joke with you on Bay Yana. Who don't come bomb now? I always there. Oh wow! That's great. Now at age 7, now what you can catch here? PSZ, what the obey star, so near obey star. It means that now one because I wouldn't the opposite. But catching at what age and who say you have that acting skills in you, you know, when you help kakra, beat me about a actor.
Okay. To be honest with you, at 7, no, the reason why 7 years significant is me, not me who's a for bomb me bomb me buso mo say o bompa erade beti I know mo say erade beti enti me bompa esi medi first they call the youngsters we cheer
okay
it's bompa esi medi first and funny enough me bompa me catch Jesus so me say medi first as at 7 years old and I didn't be mu
yeah
ana medi first edim si akunya so ti and I'm so say o bompa erade and as I call na me feel say me different it's na me show me who obi a gidi na makote
yeah
omo yo money man na teach there was something I feel say na BB but na minimum the crow na minimum say acting minimum say enti me start acting was Royal House Chapel say na IBWC or ATTC or church drama ni Sunday school ni whatever and I'm diko P Olegon timi P Olegon no ana Ivan Kwashiga eba I think the theater art department I'm in ho I know who me now almost person almost me advert TVC so I started in Legon level 100 and I started send me advert me a condom advert. That's the first thing I did.
Condom
said that
really
me
I say sometimes that yeah me dicking or sorry now and the bay wiki cry and now the condom ad be bad show no so now the yard na me juice ana the church baby sending me what's up mess hey Dickin this your condom advert there but you man now so why
also what you see that thing what you do is not who you are but most times I go for me a condom advert no na me minim de be DH me a condom TV na go for so mo hear me it is me now so boy up map na me ni obako nyan ekita honda so na me won the way I'm for fan person about because condom advert no omo ye say me ni ma baby me change man like the factor it sometimes na Beku Santana those times you know omo na no na or voice over no ana me who say okay so after the condom advert you know na nkofo come as in school on campus and chebia na me distance learning that time na ex-president Kufo distance learning and me chira nkwala no say the camera phone they so I'm starting free honum and chebia na Ivan Kwashiga the same Ivan Kwashiga mami Fortune Island or mami lead role of Fortune Island was a series mini Majid, Yvonne, Oscar Professor, late Kwame Wusu and Sir Viviana Kofi Ajolo, Nadia and his squad.
Yeah.
So that was the maiden thing I did 2005. Yeah. And she started you know and Chibiana Nigeria for being Suhumi and almost a year about to where there was me, John, Beverly Afaglo and Yvonne Ochre. And after about to where there were two couples Me or my girlfriend and Jones one girlfriend, they were the same apartment. So after that one, then everything just blew up like that.
Wow. So the first one, how was it like? Like looking at those people I mentioned now.
Oh, they really intimidated me. Some of them made it very obvious. Like, yeah, all kind of lines, quite almost home.
Oh, wow.
Maybe I'm a free band. God, when said be any change or something, make
yeah.
Piano, Pamo, it's me the only enemy.
Yeah.
To me, so, because of who sometimes I mistake. Me a mistake, no, so my year, you winning style. Now make him Messiah.
Wow.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and I feel I'm very familiar with them.
And so Obi Bisa say how many movies near feature would you be able to mention?
So maybe my mini come maybe 150 movies.
About 150
movies, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, I will say that first exposure and one and Nigeria, you are known. We are one of the Ghanaian actors only in Nigeria for year Jumapa, and you are seen in most of their movies. But then I work that magic for you and multimedia that we know all the time, that roles to play all most of the Nigerian movies.
I think another thing about me is people think I'm very arrogant because I'm some of your persona now, maybe the way I carry myself.
Yeah.
I'm confident, but I'm not arrogant. And Nigeria I'm very humble when I'm working. So be a man Busano Prince. I'm down to earth, humble. Juma. Pray like I'm just cool with everything. So Nigeria for most of them they see me to be very loyal. Sometimes come with media script, time and I'm US or multimedia scripts now. Or oh boy, when you go land, and I'm sure I'm so okay, we'll go wait for you. We'll wait for you. Yeah. So that should tell you the kind of relationship I have with them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Means that role will be there waiting for you to come to make
I come to Ghana, then I can.
Wow. That's nice. That's nice. Obi question be my man. We also can Wednesday the NUB. Okay. Who was the first lady that you kissed in a movie?
Yes.
Because with over 150 movies.
Series of movie.
Okay, put them together.
I think if it's series, it was girl now Minini play About to Wed. She was my girlfriend in the series. That was 2007. No, but the first person I kissed was Nadia. Yeah, it was Nadia.
Hey,
that's nursery, Rob. It was Fortune Island. The day we were supposed to do it, said I'm a fair there. So, and I'm meaning Nadia and they were screaming, and they were going out. We're in the same class. So the day we were supposed to shoot the scene, it was a kissing scene. But I think she was more experienced than me in the field of acting and blah blah blah. So you can't action penny in age now. So we couldn't do it. Anna, Ivan, Bufu. And I say, what is it about? You just have to kiss and let's go. Yeah. So I think we postponed the kissing like twice. And one of the days, you said he told you can't action, no. Then we just went ahead and that was the first time. Yeah.
And it's the BCC.
The BCC. I mean,
Obia field of work. Mostly. They have people they look up to. If you know more in this industry, one are now looking up to and maybe you seek inspiration from to do the things you do.
I think unfortunately, the person is late. When I started, I used to look up to the late Kwame Uswansa.
Oh, okay.
Fortunately, I'm not my big brother. Sometimes, Obaligon visit to me. Sometimes, So now, I know to me for when I was coming, like, you have to do this, you have to do that. Yeah.
Now, I am not comfortable because say a banner acting say Obi. If one is able to speak other languages, I am not to be a plus. Aside English, any idea? Do you speak any other language?
Nigeria focus on because me share Nigeria for almost 6 to 8 months. You try about to wait. You try be Ghana start to Ghana.
And almost one thing about them. I mean, me cry just normal visitor. Me corner me back again. Yes, I'm a now. The just limited time now best spend it with them. They'll influence you.
Yo, they influence you.
By the time you realize now,
oh, more influence is big. Anna,
serious.
The band said, "No more tie yen." Eti, omo yen. Eti, I know me busa say. Or they no more kind. Many boys need be very close. Eti, baby, baby, a film, and it was like a studio. A one and a dio. So. Na me try no interact, you know, me no mo kasa na me ba mo biska no ma kire me so omo check me ye ne first till later on no me be pick here na me force so say meet me aka because me a movie be cra last year or Ogun State Nigeria omo kasa na me kan yeah na omo ka kire na maka
wow at age 7 now person yes star it is a we nanti me am for you to become an actor etika den anka Prince David Osei be.
Oh, now it's not too late though. I want to be a lawyer.
You want to be a lawyer?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to be a lawyer. So hopefully, yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, didn't
perform Casa Bible, you know. I'm a lawyer. I know me argument. I always want to argue my case.
Wow, it would be nice to see you at the courtroom now. Oh yeah, my lord, I put it to you. It would be nice, to see that. All right. Obi question or the aba. Patron more Instagram, more boss, more than my boss. Why we they make kind from Wednesday there. Why you more than by a chitty. Young cocoa muka crack and a fee. We are yambra and Edians now. You be and no to be. Obia or crash on that person.
A stranger. What about going
to crash on you there and there. 1,000 and coins. So I say, that's all to know who be also crash on that person.
Charlie, we can't. Okay, far fetch. Like I just say,
really?
Yeah, a Beyonce.
Hey.
Yeah. You give him no true.
Obi Fred Jigama.
Jigama.
Obi Fred Jigama. You now chess. Prince the Philly wife.
Overfill.
Really?
Beyonce, Anna, Nigerian actress with Choma Chukwuka. Now him this year, and say last was it January honeymoon because you moved to Nigeria. Title here Charlie.
Okay.
Now me a twin. Baku Ghana and Nina Baku Nigeria. After I'm lifted by now because cinema. So Choma Chukwuka, I've admired her from afar. And today was see a play. Husband and wife, telling that Vima who you know you can't actually put on me shooting him. I say, hold me now.
Really?
I swear. And I'm catching so like I'm feeling shy. I say, oh you David, stop that thing.
Oh.
And the actor is your boy, no for my hand though. So I just sacked myself now Vim
now let's young cut to and boom. Our favorite song and our favorite movie.
My favorite movie, Godfather, the Godfather Chronicles. Don Corleone.
Yeah.
My favorite song, Because He Lives, I Can Face Tomorrow.
Wow. That's nice. Now, Prince, you share industry. You back to amount 4 questions. When they me printing Wednesday, and I want to now. Where Wednesday, dear, and then the answer on Instagram in your call. But your form of the other two check. You can't industry more as I am uncle for Casa and a Ghana movie industry in the Mazao, a goo, Omunyeshu, and Yokuma would food a bear, Shinka Cranka, movie, baby. I am not to answer, and I am moving saying.
Oh, sir, the last time in your opportunity to make a BB or Hit FM, you know, the bottom line is, say, you do your honey support here.
Yeah.
Who's I will be to me, oh, it's been a long time I saw a movie of yours. I keep posting stuff on my page. Your friend is an African couple, as I speak to you, is airing on Euroko TV.
Yeah, I saw it the other day. Yeah.
Beautiful series. Obi Obusa say we YouTuber now. And I'm saying, oh, you subscribe to Roku TV, or if you have Rock TV, DSTV, you can watch it. So some of them will not go to that extent to look for your product. What the two will be advertised, even when we are premiering a silver bed.
Yeah.
Or we catch us up a free ticket. So sometimes I ask, how many people can you give free tickets?
Yeah.
If you don't support the craft, you don't support what we do. First, time I need to DVD in CD and the traffic, it was easy. Now everything is on the online portal, digital, and he said, why I'm forcing and pay 2 CD credits be and call online. I want to make your movies. And that's the only way we can make money. So sometimes someone can say, oh, once upon a time, is this movie and they did turn Ghana. I'm for more Caribbean or more America or more Canada. They got to know about Ghana because of the likes of me, Majid, Van Vika, Yvonne Nelson, Jackie, Nadia. Yes. Because we mirror society. We sell Ghana through the medium of movie. Only in New York, somebody can make you out a Spanish person, a Hispanic, because almost share your movies, no. Yeah, but I don't know what's going on now. And I say, like they will just talk, even when you work so hard to produce a movie. So Mumbesha, because we do it for them. Mumbesha, because I remember January Yvonne premiere Fixers, big movie. Yes, a lot of them came back. They could have done better because they had Nigerians and Ghanaians collaboration that was big. When we went to Nigeria to premiere, it was huge. So back home, if we support what we do and appreciate our own, because celebrities are more Ghana, we are Ghana for. Ghana for, so we are who we are. Yeah. So if we embrace our stars, celebrate them, and put them to that pedestal that we expect them to be. But I say every day if we are downplaying them, degrading them, insulting them, doing that, it kills the morale. So sometimes a lot of Nigerians claim some of us. Sometimes I would drive and will be able to say Nigerian, And I say, do you understand? So sometimes these are some of the shortcomings.
But what do you think, say, maybe the industry is lacking, or maybe something that's not being done right, but elsewhere it is done this way, but because it's not done that way here in Tinebia, Emma.
No, I say there are a lot of things going on in the world right now. There's Netflix, there's other portal that people can watch movies. So Aquarius attention now are drifted. People are doing a lot of stuff. But if you truly love who you claim you love, like maybe Pestombo, Pesako, they have crazy fans. No matter what. When they put out their singles or whatever, they'll patronize it. But sometimes, I don't know if we have done something wrong. Like maybe you can go to the mall or something. Oh, Namu baby. It's not my fault that they call me Prince David Osei or they call Yvonne Nelson. Obibe who I saw no fight. Oh, Namu baby, I'll call baby. No. So sometimes I ask myself, well, what is going on? What kind of energy is this? Oh, Ofie or Prince David today. I mean, count me, baby. We are coming out. We so call baby.
I said when I walk in.
Yes,
Oh, Prince.
It hurts. Sometimes. Yeah, so now more. You do a radio show and public. My old day. It's sometimes the energy we get, sometimes
bad energy to do too much. When you're the Paris,
for no reason. And sometimes it's sad, because so almost support to and appreciate who we are. Sometimes I go to Nigeria and they look out me pure Nigeria, pure hotel be unimoni pakono be take care of all your bills. Almost achieve.
They show love serious
because say easy. Look at the population of Ghana. How many celebrities we have? But we have a lot of rich people. There are a lot of people who are richer than celebrities. So officer would do only pakona would do Mr. A or B or Pennycraft or Pejimo F. So on this page now we sister way and our bra when a boy when you this is the star that you know.
So that means and they are not so to China a month one come will be on bet me a discussion. They are almost they are not willing to do that.
Said no obi on mo scapa na maybe Marco baby go park your car just so when here am officer get obi pe wa sem look that boy so muniska
gaga keke kwa muniska
o see gaga ni bi so muniska now we scan na boane I said we o me it is all come movie asempe
Ghana
sometime ago no be contest sponsorship now odu ho no mo no ma me no say superstars ni be ni kunu Adom for into the fact ni kunu person sponsor some movie on pray down officer girls ni be ni kunu be ha and she dey be on pray so this is so it is say now you appreciate what we have. Because yet, mean, say be a lot of form because we are celebrity, a body, a boy, Ghana for more, say.
Yeah.
Anna say, BB, na year, we are revising the way of doing movies. And them as So, right now, the kind of movies we do, no, and to say first now, I love you, we are changing the trend. Maybe the new movie be out because of COVID-19, we've not premiered. It's called Newsman.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen it.
We shot it in Italy, Milano, Ghana. We used Italian actors and Ghanaian actors, the upcoming ones. It's a beautiful piece because you won't say maybe the people are tired of the I love you, so we are changing the trend. You understand? So we are doing everything possible to entertain the fans and the masses. All we need is they should support us.
All right. There's one problem, so I don't know, maybe I shouldn't call that as a problem, but maybe and also wait. I say some of the actors, actress, belong to a particular group B.
Okay, like
it, yes, it is a movie B. Not saying yes, uncle for now.
They never show you. Yeah.
You see that? I didn't. I say a binomo. They are in silos. I say they are operating in silos.
But I think I would say, I can boldly say, I'm one of the actors that is free with everybody. Me promote you, our movie about me can't hold the bet to me page. If it's your birthday or whatever, so long as we are colleagues, I'll celebrate you.
Yeah.
But there's nothing wrong. Well, if you belong to a clique, there's nothing wrong because I say football, you're 11 players, fair. A national team, maybe a smaller team, no. And even when it comes to churches and pastors, we'll be our own connected. There's nothing wrong with that, but in as much as we have our cliques and whatever, no, we should know it's a small industry. And you one. It is maybe Shelly, a movie now and Castamia. No, your premiere. There's nothing wrong if I buy a ticket, go sit down there, support what she's doing, look at what she's doing. If Yvonne a movie now in Kanwa, there's nothing wrong. It's the same industry. Do you understand?
All right. You go so bon come on now. We me say about we there. My memfa nyamini pay di emrem sisi sharp na mensan twaso. We fear Apostle Augustine Smart. I'll say, praise God, Jerry. Trust you doing well. Yes, I'm doing great by the grace of God. I'll say, Sofumame Rita wants to know whether David's series on DSTV, African Couple, is ended. And my son also wants to know why David is not opting for the white ladies option to save their home.
Okay, African Couple.
Yeah.
The season 2 is out. It's out. The season 2 is out. At the moment, it's airing on Iroko TV.
Oh, okay.
Subsequently, it will come on Rock 3 and Rock TV. We're about to do the season 3 and 4. Very soon, July. Let's start issue 2, season 3 and 4. So yeah, if they've subscribed to Roku TV, they can watch it now. All the 13 episodes for the second season are on Roku TV.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now back to industry. Don't come on. There's been cases been in some so some of the producers don't pay. You sumo the more movies near there, but when it's time for you to receive what is due you now I have a problem near there. Have you ever experienced that kind of situation?
Oh, I mean, coming up, like when I was coming up, there are a lot of movies that we did for free. So also know, how do I put it? You're building a platform for yourself. So maybe director be one more pay with Juma, like or pay with Juma.
Yeah.
But only logistics, no. But maybe he's got his crew and the storyline is very good, and you feel like it's a movie that will put you a step ahead. So why not? It's business. Or craft, Also pay push, I feel over. So it's not like Obi you sue and Obi take advantage of you. You guys are working hand to hand. Yes, or no project too, or my lead role in a movie that has a very good storyline that people will see. And then there's a man for I feel good.
And what's in you?
Thank you. So sometimes it all depends on the relationship you have with whoever.
Yeah.
Because there's this movie that we all did, Heart of Men. Achepa, that's 2008-9. Heart of Men. Me, Yvonne, Majid, Jackie, Martha. We were not paid, but the movie sold hugely in Nigeria everywhere, and it opened doors for all of us. So sometimes it depends on the relationship you have with the person. But now, me feel I've paid my dues.
For now,
I've been doing movie for like 15 years now, 1.5 decades. So I don't see why a producer would disrespect me come to me and not pay me, it'd be crazy because when you come, we talk, you pay me before I get on the set. Except for a fact, maybe you're madam for. And maybe say me charge you A, I also will be to B, and we have an understanding. So maybe moving it back out. Now I'll get this percentage or whatever, fine. But other than that, I don't see why me movie I into my car at this time.
All right. Maybe you should be by man in put this
Papa Lolo.
No. This guy who went for Big Brother. Elikem issue here by say industry, and I say actors, I don't know, they should get another job. I don't want us to go in that, but aside acting, do you do any other stuff?
Onya say I can act in quite I can meet me now. Can meet me Chika Michi.
I love that.
Can meet me Mama Busa enter America. No. So you see what people don't understand is the acting will open the doors for you. Aside acting, I do voiceovers, I do endorsement deals, I'm an influencer, I do my own business on the side.
Yeah.
So it opens a lot of avenue. Like I walk into a place, they know me. They will share me anything.
Yeah.
So if I need something from someone, I need to do business. There's that trust. Thank you.
A year to even get, you just get there. No,
I'm like my own guarantor because if you are looking for me anything, so people can trust you to do business with you. So it depends on you, the individual, to be smart, to take advantage of who you are and your fame to do stuff. So what kind of movies you can call out dwelling on? I mean, a comedy.
Sure.
Yeah, because if you don't do movie, then what happened to you?
All right. So after all said and done, now if he do maybe now Prince David Osei is no more acting now. There in particular thing, pana. You'll be remembered for?
Affecting people's life positively because I'm always about the positive energy.
Yeah.
If you watch my posts every now and then, I'm inspiring people, sharing some of my stories with people and telling them, regardless of where you're coming from or who you are, if you are purpose in your heart, if you make it, you deem it right to want to succeed, no matter what, you succeed.
Yeah.
And it's our aggressive spirit. Like you don't take no for another. Keep pushing. If it doesn't look good, you keep pushing. You fall down, get up, keep pushing until you excel. So that's the energy I would want to be remembered for. Like positive energy. Keep
right.
Keep
Prince, there's been instances famous people like yourself, at this almost it through their weight behind your friends saying politicians, especially during election years like this year, COVID yama the nice one way, but then I'm obey. If you are given the chance, politician be approach you, every stage be obe mount to be you are there talking to people on his behalf near there. Would you do that?
Why not?
And if you do, selective, which political party or anyone that approaches you?
Okay, it's something that people don't understand. Uye nipa, whether you're a celebrity or not, you go to a church, you belong to a fraternity.
Yeah.
And you also obviously you have the party that you support or the party you don't support. And you have followers. So to some extent you have an influence.
Yeah.
The people who follow you, they believe in who you are and what you do. When you speak to them, they'll listen.
Yeah.
So that comes with leadership. So if, for instance, you have an agenda, you have a goal, like maybe I support party A, and during the election time, I decide to get involved.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm going to educate my followers and my fan base on the reason why they should vote for Mr. A and not Mr. B.
Sure.
And people are intelligent in Ghana here. They don't just accept anything. So if I give them a very good reason why they should vote for party A and B, and they are, they are loyal to me, obviously they are going to vote for whoever I say they should vote for.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I don't see any problem with that. In America, in Europe, you see top celebrities coming out to endorse, Democrat or Republican or, presidential candidates. But in Ghana here, it's always a fight. When they see you, then they argue, insult you, but I don't understand.
Yeah.
You are free to do whatever you want to do, regardless of you being. And some of them say, oh, when you support party A or B, your career is going to die. Career, where is it?
Anyway, okay. My main Instagram, I'm sure about for the kakra. There's this juicy fan page. I'll say my question to him is he single? Or can I send the family year ago? Okay, anyway, let me just ask for you. Hey, on quite say I'm in love with him. And on one question and asked me beside was answer, I said, is he married? So Prince, I beg,
over married. Over married with 3 kids. Now because me on Zoom.
Yes.
Married with 3 kids, man.
Okay, Paribia Daku says he should keep on being himself. I really admire him. So
thank you.
That one is a compliment from that lady. And then Ishmael Quality, or say, how is Sniper D able to do the magic on set? He's been consistent for a very long time. So how do you manage that?
It's the passion that drives me. Whatever I do with my passion. Because justice, I go all out for you. I don't give half. So that is why people think I have too much energy. Because I'll do it. Yeah. So it's a passion that drives me. Wow. And when I assume a character, I go 120%. Like if I have to do it, I have to do it. If I don't want to do it, I don't do half. So yeah, so it's a passion.
All right. This one here says that Roger, please ask Prince if he truly loves to play women, like the way he's been doing in movies.
When you're playing that role, I won't lie to you. It's fun. It's fun when you're playing it on TV. I really enjoy playing that role on TV. But in real life, I'm sure if I try, my wife will kill me.
Yes, I don't know. Okay, so I promise Dubate. I'll say I watched one of his movies and how he was breaking how he was breaking that one. Now wait some. I want to ask whether is his real talent or is it of the movie or Massa?
I do everything with passion.
And they are so crazy. Anyway, Tony Messi so say, please, I want to know what interests him most in life.
What interests me most? What interests me most in life is to bring my followers to the knowledge of Christ. You see, they see me like a bad boy. And most often, it will want them a cheapie. I put up something about God and whatever.
Yeah.
I want them to know that in as much as you work in a secular world, and still be close to your maker.
Thank you.
It doesn't change anything. The fact that you play football, you're a musician. I love that. And that is how come a lot of Christians are not prospering, because Holy Ghost no. The Bible says we should dominate and possess the earth. So at the end of the day, dominance, a lot of people say, if you're a Christian, you don't have to go into politics, you don't have to do. If we the Christians don't go into politics to make the decision, unbelievers will make the decision for us and we live with it. So it's about time, you go all out there and knowing, say, eradicate with you, whatever you do. If people want to judge you, leave them, because at the end of the day, salvation, it's just between you and God.
Yeah.
So you do what you have to do humanly possible, and say, if you have to work, you have to work. Yeah, don't men swag Christianity in Chichiro come, because
now if you are there, so you
unbeliever now, who you say sinners, you be do heaven now, will call hell.
All right, so Adibako so ana amount for a tie hard drink are crying when people see, because Ghana had a like you said earlier, ubi o crowd in here she only crying the shike can ya go no church no movies no time. And aside that, sometimes ubi on in one industry ni mu na cry no. Just like you said, whatever it is that you do with passion and you give it 120% to do the thing and do it well. So because of that, the person is not getting what you're getting, and out of enviness, now obi person or ye be the suppressor or ye be the TL. Do you see juju in movies that amount for quite against amount for?
I wouldn't say it's a juju, but the industry is very diabolical. Like, I'm up for Yenema.
Wow.
And sometimes, you know, you experience the attacks. Maybe person die own demon in your name. But you see, the bottom line is in Bible. If a radi didn't be do, I mean, there's nothing I can do. It's by the grace of God that I'm where I am. So only me kwani radi never come because me near radi I'm a covenant child. So they do it. I mean, you throw stuff ahead. Recently, I had an accident on the N1. So any money the ABC, but Charlie said, "We tintimu now radi hono." But say only nama now share any money the ABC me about at all because things happen. People will do anything for fame, and so when I be cross your media, they don't mind taking you out.
Wow. Right now, Cecia COVID-19 iguso high adrenia. They have been seeing you doing one or two binumunia there. Tell us about what you've been up to. Say on role I will play to help put message across everywhere. What people need to do near there because I've been seeing most posts from you are talks about COVID-19 near home 70 there.
I mean, I did a couple of donations here and there. I was also part of the Operation Feed the Street and Kaye project. I supported some orphanages and some families during the lockdown, partial lockdown. And ever since I've been advocating, advocating and telling people to support orphanage like Royal Seed somewhere beyond Kaswa. They really need help. And Portes Village Orphanage at Dodua, where I'm very concerned. I often go there to support them. So basically I've been advocating because sometimes you really feel more. We forget that if we don't go there to bless them, nobody will go. So if you are thinking maybe A and B or maybe some companies will go there, and sometimes they reach out to me like, oh, we don't have food stuff and things are not going well. So I mean, it's just good whenever we are dining on our table, and if God has blessed us, we remember those people, those street children, the destitute. And I also have a foundation, PDO Foundation for the Needy, that we used to support. Aside that, I've been I've been working. I'm part of the judges for Ghana Most Beautiful, so we've been busy working, and I've been doing some shoots here and there. There's this series that we're working on. Currently, there's a movie I co-produced with my friend Aside the Newsman. It's called Dismayed As You Pray. I played the role of a pastor. I hope they'll love it and they'll see the other side of me. The edit is almost done. It's a beautiful movie starring myself, Nikki Samonas, Aaron Adachi, Akofa Jenny, Efuru Lucky, and a host of other brilliant, actors and actresses.
And how soon will this one be done?
Very, very soon. All we are waiting for is for the president to lift the ban on cinema gathering. And so I don't know. And we are trying to see. In the meantime, there's this company that's coming out with a digital portal where we can view our movies. Like if you have as low as 1 CD, 2 CD, you can watch our movie, watch our series. It's going to be launched very soon, I think next month. And I'm also an influencer in that way. So we'll be promoting it. Hopefully, Ghanaians will come to understand that the only way they can help us grow is to support us.
Sure.
So.
No. Share family life kakra before Asana the commoner berry. You mentioned earlier, say wife in Kolano Omo in Ghana. I mean, how do you cope with that situation? Come some kakache.
Charlie, my phone is always fully charged. And video calling the Susa.
Oh man.
It's 5 a.m. They are afraid me daddy. So Charlie. Me ni common if me da. Almost say that. Tell me the phone and choking problem. I'm always in tune with them, like talking, phone calls, voice notes, text message. Like recently, last born 3 years old. I was surprised. Say, who say friend me PDO?
I saw that. I laughed. And I'm catching say, "Uni me come to you say, video no kwa na Becca crumbles or sniper D."
Shocking me. I see daddy PDO. I'm stressed. So I mean, I'm always in tune with them. I'm always in tune. Hopefully, say BBR settle. Yeah, I'll visit that.
So sometimes I am not wifey. I am not feeling it to say no win say we are the kind of guy. Some of the questions never. I mean, person may be said in there. Be more there. No, naturally. I'll be glad or person who say if we are available. Person calling me sister who killed there. I mean, with all these things, how and wife you take you.
You see, the trick is that's why you should marry your friend. You marry your friend. Or if you need me before I ever thought of becoming a star or whatever. Only me pa. Only they meet me. I say on my catching on him. So once I mini man am on him. When I was in Legon, mini man and Tisa, Miss Ghana, whatever. Minyo muhu. It is a boys whom are no many abre. But there's nothing. It's why if you himself me know for the job I do. I mean, if you want to excel, the ladies have to love you. They need to appreciate your craft because Obana can't move yourself. Oh my God,
most of the guys you see in the movie, your friends say theaters near the Crano. A man and
so because yesterday, for instance, now because your program we spoke about sex and stuff and blah blah blah, like for adults and whatever. Obi send a very funny message or Instagram. I say when I was talking BB and you know I was even telling you what I feel about it, and I tell her everything. You see, I'm so worried what down for.
Yeah,
I tell her everything, and she BB and shock. You know, come out same channel because okay, no problem because she knows me, and because we are friends, no, chat here, and I'll be Tuesday to already will be in here. So we built that bond before I became whatever. So she knows me very well. Anna. You know, along the line, say me phone now. I apologize because I know, sir, sometimes you can read stuff, you can see stuff, and you know you're out there in the public, so we are to be able. So that's we have the understanding.
That's so true. Now, Prince, share the future for your movie industry, especially in the wake of these portals here, but they said now can you and to say the Nanka first 18 day. Where do you see the industry like in the next 5 or 10 years? Said it.
Oh, I see the industry big because there's a transition now. There are new phase of actors and actresses coming up who are very good. There are new phase of producers, young stars who are coming up. So in terms of production, in terms of value, in terms of quality, it can only get better. Okay. And I think the present administration is putting a lot in place. They are building a film village in which we can like Hollywood, which me akwako. Shoot movies like Tyler Perry Warner. So we are going to have studios and we are going to have cinemas across Ghana where we can show our movie. Like if there's a premiere going on in Accra right now, like 6 p.m. the whole regions of Ghana 6 p.m. they'll be premiering the movie.
Wow.
So as such, you know people can be making revenues and stuff. So yeah, I see the industry growing because we went through a phase. No, Ghana industry knew. It was good. We went through that phase. So now there's a new trend. Crop of actors.
Yeah.
Some people unfortunately fizzled out because they couldn't stand the test of time. And there's a new crop of actors and producers and directors who are passionate about the act of movie making. So things are going to get better. It can only get better.
Wow. That's nice. But a typical Kumawood movie. If you are giving a now you presently you said level we are no
level be any baby.
So you do it.
What him say? I was supposed today's Friday. Nanka was saying me Kumasi and Nekra me movie ama Osei. But because I had to do the Ghana Most Beautiful thing, we're still I couldn't go. My movie.
Oh me, I know.
Me, Van Vika, Juliet, Ibrahim, Leo Wayne, what's the name? Kweku Menu. Yeah. My but you see, I don't know what to say. So movie there, I mean, all this stuff. Me, I'm down to it. I mean, so long as it's fun. So me need Jihodia, but maybe so me need Jihodia. But so me need Jihodia production values because I say I hear some movies back in the days. Some of us weren't proud of coming up, But now, no. I mean, or see a But
quickly, Mami Bizano, has there been a role given to you as no, actually, it's a role really no, a woman's obituary, but this one no one do.
Oh, a lot. I
don't know what to say to numbers.
Oh, unse anybody I know there are certain things you leave for the upcoming ones in Colorado, like we do level be also maintaining. Even if So comedy also mentally level because you can't condescend to me accept anything. Recently there are a lot of scripts that come to me. I feel like my power, I can't be doing this thing. The upcoming should do it and gain experience. Sometimes you just have to.
Finally, Mami Bisa, lady Asema, have you been raped before? Asema is serious.
Maybe in my dream. Also soon that now I'm for you.
Who said this girl? When your wife is so she and crying, you don't know how you manage enter your dream.
3 days ago, I know we be referring me need here. No lie. Is it no lie?
Wow. Prince, you found communities now, and unfortunately, I'm not going till 6. Me cross and me name says, and then almost say some we be near the so your band earlier than the usual time today. Nice. But it's been nice having you around, and I'm looking forward to another time. You know, do I assign a din common more. But before I be jawa more, if there's any other we be our person oka the 2 followers no fans in any worldwide because all the end you're gonna happy baby and I don't so there omuti worldwide intino they are all listening to you now.
So first and foremost I want to say my outfit so I own him Habil Couture.
Yes. Oh, I call her was it 3 days ago yes we call Xiaomo.
Oh nice. It's Habil Couture outfit and me Pastor Danfobi Tio from Canada. Prophet, I am Royal Money, a very good friend, and I want to say to the listeners and the people, you see, maybe in animal more diaspora all over now. We should cultivate the habit of appreciating who we are as Ghanaians and what we have. Because most often no call like Ghana Web when the stories about us, which means or more diaspora no. And I ask why? Because at the end of the day, your problem frustration and depression and I say because I'm changing a traubi. That's a bit we should stop that. We should stop using our mouth to curse ourselves because we are who we are. Say and sell brand now you appreciate here because other countries almost are busy, so we should love ourselves and we should promote peace and unity. Say obi anyone just some enemy or some obi support party obi support party B. I mean you have the freedom of association, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to tell them to promote peace and upcoming election gidi. O Phyllis or better to my party here. O kwa no akuja no atuna ko be. Enye ntokwa. We should stop that thing now. Ana afanema personal. Ana medama see media houses. Medama see. But negative trend no reduce. The papa mun promote. Say be me accident. Man throw bia man can't throw bia omo chro sa. Me new movie me post obi an come. So sometimes I always sound say quite nearby. So just are some of the things. So I love them.
All right. I praise you that's so by best friend anyway. Your bon nyame kan and keep doing what you're doing. Ghana for Pewasem. Ghana for Pewasem Tino. You know ana mensana ekosuna eye de oyena. Abusuan yeguso aye to aso Adom 106.3 FM na medical catch say and ye be end show no earlier than the usual time it just stay tuned here the akabe to aso amosis here.
And cover bia. Justice. Me manage big things home. Me fast small things in here. And nunti na manage Go TV hono. If we say Go TV dear, me nimsa bribia omu bet